Hey guys, we just wanted to quickly introduce ourselves and say hello. I am Floridon, and this is my wife,
Amanda.
And yeah, we just wanted to give you guys a quick update on where we are on everything.
Yeah, so we just moved in a couple of weeks ago, so everything is bare bones, but we definitely want to keep you guys in the loop and let you guys know where we're starting from. So let's take a look.
Yeah. So this is the entrance to our property. Got some cool trees out here. This is our very own Christmas tree. How awesome is that? We are on an acre of land out here. So this is the garage, the oversized garage, detached garage. That's going to be completely converted into a fully functional apartment. We're on an acre here. We'll show you guys here in a minute. But yeah, so here it is.
All right, so we just met with our general contractor the other day and we're still finalizing all of the details, but our hope is to have a kitchen and bathroom on this side of the garage with the living space and perhaps a bed area on this side, and then open this side up with big double French doors out to a patio that we want to put back there. And upstairs, we're hoping to put a loft area. We're still kind of figuring out what that will consist of, but likely just kind of a hangout space, maybe some bunk beds up there and a little hangout space for kids and teens or whoever. But we're going to take you guys to look around the property as well.
So I'm going to walk you guys around the garage, but for now, that door is, I'm planning on flipping it and putting it here as an entrance, a little parking area over here, going to the back. So right back here, we plan on, as Amanda said, having those French doors here, big patio space here for hangout, and then a cool, really peaceful view back here. You can barely see them, but you can see the mountains a little bit back there. It's a bit more visible when you're here, but yeah, so that's the space. This is our home right there. It's going to be completely private. You might hear my kids yelling here and there, but it'll be soundproof as much as we can. So super peaceful out here.